Hello dear readers, welcome to GK Insight. In this video, we will discuss Indian polity and constitutions, and which is very important for NSSB exam 2022. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Here the first question is, which article speaks about the impeachment of the President of India? Answer, Article 61. As per Article 61, President of India can be impeached on ground of violation of the Constitution. However, what amounts to violation of the Constitution has not been defined. The process of impeachment can be in any of Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. Next question. How many members of Rajya Sabha are nominated by President of India? Answer, 12. Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the parliament, which represent the state and union territories. Its membership is fixed to maximum 250 members, of which 238 are elected by the representatives of the states, and union territories with 12 members are nominated by person on account of their excellence in literature, science, art, or social service. Next question. The official language of Union Territory of Lakshadweep is, and here the correct answer is Malayalam. Official languages of Lakshadweep are Malayalam and English, while there are two spoken languages also, vice Jesri and Devi. The next question. Sindhi language are included in the list of official languages in the added schedule of our constitutions in which year? Answer, in the year 1967. In the Constitution of India, there is a provision made for each of the Indian states to choose their own official language for communicating at the state level. The selected languages which can be used for official purpose have been listed in the add schedule to the Constitution. Next question. Single citizenship in India has been taken from which country? Answer, Britain and Canada. The Constitution of India has established a single and uniform citizenship for the whole of the country, and this feature appears to have been borrowed from UK, but today UK itself has dual citizenship. Next question. The Interstate Council can be established by? Answer, President. Interstate Council is a constitutional body set up on the basis of provision in Article 263 of the Constitution of India by a presidential order. And next question. The articles associated with the fundamental rights in India Constitution are? Answer, Article 12 to Article 35. The fundamental rights are contained in Part 3 of the Constitution of India from Article 12 to Article 35. The Part 3 contains a very long and comprehensive list of justiciable fundamental rights. Next question. Which article protects a person's rights to travel abroad under Indian Constitution? Here the correct answer is Article 21. Here Supreme Court in the case of Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India in 1978 held that right to travel abroad is a fundamental right, and it is secure under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. And next question. Which articles grant the right to equality to citizens of India? Answer, Article 14 to Article 18. Here the right to equality is enshrined in Article 14 to 18 of the Constitution of India. Article 14 says that the state shall not deny to any person equality before the law or the equal protection of the laws within the territory of the India. Next question. In which year the Supreme Court held that even after the dissolution of the Lok Sabha, the Council of Ministers does not cease to hold office? Answer, in the year 1971. In the year 1971, the Supreme Court of India held that even after the dissolution of the Lok Sabha, the Council of Ministers does not cease to hold office. Hence, the President cannot exercise the executive power without the aid and advice of the Councils of Ministers. Next question. The 13th Amendment Act 1962 status was given to which state? Answer: Nagaland. The 13th Amendment Act of 1962 to the Constitution of India gave the status of the state to Nagaland and made special provision for it. And next question. The 41st Amendment Act 1976 raised the retirement age of members of the State Public Service Commission and Joint Public Service Commission from 60 to 10. Here the correct answer is 62. The 41st Amendment to the Constitution of India raised the retirement age of the members of the State Public Service Commission and the Joint Public Service Commission from 60 to 62. Next question. On which date the government of India adopted the national anthem of the country? Here the correct answer is January 24, 1950. The Constituent Assembly adopted Jana Gana Mana as the national anthem of the Indian on 24 January 1950. A formal retention of the national anthem takes 52 seconds. It was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Next question. On which date India's Constituent Assembly adopted the national flag of India? Here the correct answer is in the year 26 January 1947. The Constituent Assembly adopted the national flag of India on July 22, 1947. And the national flag of India was designed by Bengali Venkaya. He was a freedom fighter and served as a soldier in the British Army in South Africa during Anglo-Boer War in Africa. Next question. What is the minimum age for a person seeking election to Lok Sabha? Here the correct answer is 25 years. The minimum age of a person seeking election to Lok Sabha, House of People, according to Article 84 1b, is not less than 25 years of age, and for Rajya Sabha, it is not less than 30 years of age. Here the next question is, which constitutional amendment provided that the election of the president or vice president cannot be challenged on the ground of any vacancy in the appropriate electoral college? Here the correct answer is 11th Amendment Act in the year 1961. Here the 11th Constitutional Amendment Act of 1961 provided that the election of the president or vice president cannot be challenged on the ground of any vacancy in the appropriate electoral college. Next question is, who is the ex officio president of the Indian Parliamentary Group? Here the correct answer is Speaker of the Lok Sabha. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha is the ex officio president of the Indian Parliamentary Group, and the Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha and the Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha are the ex officio vice presidents of the group. Next question. Who can pass resolution for constitutions of a new all Indian service? Answer: the Rajya Sabha. Here, according to Article 12 of the Constitution, authorities the Parliament to create new all India service on the basis of Rajya Sabha resolutions to that effect, and the center and the state jointly control these services. However, the ultimate control lies with the central government, but the immediate control rests with the state governments. Here the next question is, where was the president rule imposed for the first time under Article 356? Here the correct answer is Punjab and East Punjab State Union. The president's rules under 356 of the Constitutions of India was for the first time imposed in the year 1951 in the former state of Punjab and East Punjab State Union. The next question is, who can make provision with respect to matters relating to delimitation of the constituencies? Here the correct answer is Parliament. The Parliament of India can make provisions with respect to all matters relating to the election to the Parliament and the state legislators, and it can also make provision with respect to the preparation of electoral rolls, the delimitation of constituencies, and all other matters necessary for securing their due constitution. So thank you for watching the videos, and if you like the videos and get something from this video, please do subscribe and like. and share. So see you in the next video.